If your Audi A5 B8 from 2007 to 2011 has a faulty Xenon headlight bulb, today I'll show you step-by-step how to replace it properly and safely. Before we begin, make sure the car is turned off, the key is removed, and ideally disconnect the battery because we're working with Xenon lights, which operate under high voltage. Now let's start. The first thing we need to do is remove the headlight assembly. On the Audi A5 B8, the headlight is secured with 3 screws. We begin with the first screw. Carefully loosen and remove it. Now we move on to the second screw. Again, take your time and make sure you don't strip the threads. To access the third screw, we need to remove the upper grille trim. This trim piece is held in place by 4 screws. Let's remove those 4 screws first. Once they're out, carefully remove the upper grille trim. Be gentle here and pay attention to the plastic clips because they can break if you force them. With the trim removed, we now have access to the third headlight mounting screw. Let's remove the third screw. At this point, the headlight is almost free. The only thing left is the electrical connector at the back. This is the main power connector that supplies current to the Xenon system. Press the locking tab and carefully disconnect the plug. Now we can fully remove the headlight from the car. With the headlight out, place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Next, we remove the rear protective cover of the headlight. Open the protective cap to access the internal components. Inside, you will see a black inner plastic cover. Turn it to the left to unlock it. Once unlocked, you can carefully pull out the Xenon bulb. You will also notice a small connector attached directly to the bulb. Disconnect that small plug. Now the old Xenon bulb is completely removed. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your fingers. Oils from your skin can reduce bulb lifespan. If necessary, use gloves. Then, carefully insert the bulb into its position, making sure it sits correctly in the housing. Lock it in place by turning it back into position. After that, reinstall the black inner plastic cover and lock it by turning it to the right. Close the rear protective cap. And that's it! That's how you replace a Xenon bulb on an Audi A5 B8 from 2007 to 2011. If you have any questions about this process, bulb types, or compatibility, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.